there. Okay, so we're at my place here Monday morning. This is the first time. Kylie just ran 3 on this horse and I watched him go. Heeled 1 behind him. This horse is 8 years old. She said he does not have papers, which that's one of the things that we try not to do, put anything in papers, but I trust Kylie completely, and she said this horse was really nice and worth putting in here, and just the 3 steers I've seen him go so far, man, he looks super. He's 8 years old. She had a vet mouth him just to verify his age, and I'm gonna rope some on him right now, but like I said, he was great in the box, man. This horse looks so good to ride, and I think he's a nice horse. We'll see. Over sporting right there. All right, so we just got done running between Kylie and I pretty much a whole set and scored 2. I think there was 7 left in there. I scored 2 and ran 5. A little bit of everything. A couple of those steers moved over to the left. It felt like this horse maintained his lane really well, made it easy to rope on. I never got trapped in behind one that came left. The steers that were straight or to the right, he ran to them. One of them I let out a long ways. He scored good till I wanted to let him go. Ran all the way to the steer. Never, like sometimes on, if you let him out a long ways and you start getting to the bottom, a horse will kind of want to start hanging on you. This horse ran all the way to the steer. Never wanted to get quick. One to maybe second to last one. I got in position and wanted to see if he would just stay there. Took 1 or 2 extra swings. He just stayed in position really easy. I never tried to get quick on the dally. I really feel like this horse would be fantastic for any level of rider. Kylie, if you notice when Kylie roped, she went in and turned to the left. I like turning to the right. It seemed like that didn't bother him. He was really easy. He was really easy just to walk in the box, turn him around right here, and then man, I almost just back up. I put my right foot in just a step, just to kind of keep his butt in the corner, but he was looking for the corner every time, and so easy to find the corner on him. Like I said, the steers we scored, he scored great. Horse runs flat, easy to rope the horns on. Again, I feel like this horse would be super for almost any level of rider, from you know, 4 to horse has enough run for anyone to ride. I love him. Well, so when I started heading on him, I didn't know we had head horse and a heel horse. So we just heeled 3 on Decklin. And he felt a little bit greener to heel on. Like, I needed to help him just a little bit free through the delivery, where I had to help him stop just a little bit. But never wanted to go by the, never wanted to go by the corner. Easy to rope the feet on, see my shot the whole time. He feels like he needs just a tiny bit more work to be what I would say just a finished automatic heel horse, but it's pretty easy to heel on, and pretty good. One thing I really like about him, like the steer that I scored, he walked out of the box when I faced. I don't like dropping my rope, I drop it on one, but he's easy, just a nice, calm, relaxed trot down to follow the steer to strip and shoot. I heel the steer. He kind of wants to quarter just a little bit when I heel, but I move him back over. He stands, he relaxes, he walks back. I like a horse that's athletic enough to do what you want, but still calm enough just to walk around and enjoy riding.